The Galaxy S25 Ultra was rumored to have the same 5,000 mAh battery capacity as its predecessor last week. This was unfavorable news since several of Samsung's rivals are now surpassing that threshold. We do have some news today, though. Ice Universe, a well-known Chinese leaker, claims that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will ship with 16 GB of RAM. Additionally, it appears that all storage variants of the phone will have 16 GB of RAM, similar to the S24 Ultra's 12 GB of RAM. Therefore, Samsung will not be following the Chinese practice of matching RAM and storage capacities for its flagship products. There have been prior rumors that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a significantly different design than its predecessor, including rounded corners that won't dig into your hand. Leaks indicate that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will also include a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto camera in addition to these design improvements. Additionally, there have been claims that Samsung would return to using Snapdragon processors from Qualcomm for the Galaxy S25 series globally. On the other hand, there have also been contradictory reports that suggest Samsung wants to enhance the Exynos 2500 chip so that it can be available on its next flagships in a few markets. Considering that its unveiling is still more than 5 months away, all things considered, it appears to be a pretty exciting release. Get the most recent information on the upcoming Samsung device by tuning in. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.